About this item: smiling face with smiling eyes PS4 controller battery replacement, compatible with 1st Gen Dualshock 4 and 2nd Gen Dualshock 4 V2 CUHZCT1E CUHZCT1H, CUHZCT1H/B, CUHZCT1H/R, CUHZCT1U, and PlayStation 4 Slim PS4 Pro DualShock 4 CUHZCT2U 2016 PlayStation 4 controller smiling face with smiling eyes premium battery, high capacity, 2000mAh, 3.7V, 3.33 premium grade A cells for longer battery lifespan with no memory effects. Smiling face with smiling eyes safe protection, built-in multiple circuit protection, overcharging, short circuit, high temperature and surge protection, and high quality, fire-resistant construction. Smiling face with smiling eyes. Note: PS4 controller battery has 2 connectors. The plugs are of different sizes. The larger plug is 4.5mm wide and the smaller plug is 3.5mm wide. The batteries both work with the DualShock 4 V1 and V2, but the connectors are different. For controllers whose model number starts with CUHZCT1, you need the larger connector type. Units listed as CUHZCT2 have smaller plugs. Smiling